Hello, it's the 3rd of August 2026 and we're here in this field of Avon mix, which is white lupins, 50-50 white lupins, spring triticale, and we're in the field behind our office here just outside Southampton in Hampshire. And this crop has moved on at an astonishing rate. Normally, Avon wicks would be harvested at the end of August or early September. Here we are, it's the 3rd of August and it's ready to cut. It's amazing. This drought, the 2026 drought, has just been unbelievable. It has really, it's the biggest drought since 1976. People are saying hasn't rained here in weeks and weeks and weeks. So this crop has held up very well given the drought. We are looking at the lupins have held on especially well, but you'll see now the lupins have defoliated largely. You see here this one, and if we pull off a pod, this pod is at kind of the whole crop stage, and if I cut this in half, you'll see in the center it has achieved a kind of lime green color in the center. Now this is important because this is the point where you have the full deposition of that soya quality protein. Soya and lupins, they are a particularly good protein source due to the presence of sulfur amino acids, so lysine, methionine, cysteine. That's the stuff that makes agricultural livestock work. Dairy cows need methionine, animals that build muscle need lysine and cysteine. Soya, lupins, they're a cut above all other species in terms of protein delivery. This stage, once the pod reaches this colour, it's a point of maximum deposition, therefore it's good to go. As you see, not dead and fully mature yet, still kind of rubber ball stage, maybe a little drier than that, perfect for whole crop. If we look at the triticale, so if we take the triticale and we take a grain from the triticale, dropped it, not very helpful. Hang on, let's get another one. Yeah. So the triticale grain, you see it's gone yellow, quite mature looking. That's probably at 24% moisture, definitely ready for cutting. So the forage is going to be in here in a day or two. Take the lot. There is still moisture, a lot of moisture in these lupins. So the lupin stem will bring a lot of moisture into the mix. So it's probably going to be quite dry whole crop, but it's not going to be excessively dry. It'll be well consolidated in the pit. Probably use an inoculant to make sure we get a good fermentation in the pit. And obviously that nice balance of lupin protein and biomass with the spring triticale. Yields on other spring crops this year have been catastrophic. This has done really comparatively very well. So we're kind of pleased, given the circumstances, this has actually done great. Yield wise, no idea. Avon mix is normally very high yielding. You can get 14 tonne, 16 tonne an acre fresh weight, especially up north with higher rainfall. Here in Southampton you might expect something like 12 or 14 tonnes fresh weight in a normal year. If I'm honest, this might do 8 or 10 tonne. which it would be disappointing in other circumstances. But we are happy. Let's see how it does. Thank you.